In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 different ways you can earn free Bitcoin with the Shakepay app. Shakepay is a secure and easy to use crypto exchange. Shakepay is 100% Canadian and registered with CIRO. That's the Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization, and it's a member of Payments Canada, meaning your bank transfers are fast, legit, and fully compliant. Unlike a lot of sketchy offshore crypto apps, this one's regulated right here in Canada, so your money stays protected. Plus, ShakePay has zero commission fees. That means you get the full value of your Bitcoin, no hidden costs eating your profits. So, how can you earn free Bitcoin with ShakePay? Number one is through ShakingSats. ShakingSats is a feature that allows customers to shake their phone for free Bitcoin daily. To be able to shake to collect daily Satoshis, there are 3 conditions. 1. You need to be referred by someone, or you need to refer somebody. 2. The referral code must be inputted when you or your friend signs up. And 3. Your account has to be verified, which means you need to have completed your KYC, know your customer. And to earn daily free Satoshis, or Sats for short, via ShakingSats, you basically open your ShakePay app. Then, while on the ShakePay home screen, you just shake your phone until you receive a pop up letting you know that your shake was registered, like the one you're seeing on the screen now. So, open the app, you shake your phone once each day to earn free sats and build your shaking streak. The more consecutive days you shake, the higher the amount of sats you will receive. If you fail to shake your device on any calendar day before midnight Eastern Time, the next time you shake, your device will return to day 1 of your streak, meaning you've lost your streak and you have to start again. Just like what happened to this poor person after a 1,154-day streak. Ouch. ShakePay operates on Eastern Standard Time, so be mindful of the time zone differences to avoid shaking too late. You should be able to shake your device as long as you're connected to the internet. So make sure that wherever you are, even if you travel or you go into remote places, make sure that you're going to have internet connection to be able to receive your shaking sats. Now, shaking sats rewards are broken into 2 tiers. There's the active shaker. Active shakers earn more sats the longer they keep their streak alive. The minimum reward amount for an active shaker is 21, and the highest reward amount of 1,000 sats is reached on day 1,000 of your streak. You also become a Coma Club member once you hit 1,000 days, and you'll receive some cool Coma Club merch for that achievement. After day 1,000, you continue earning 1,000 sats as long as you remain active and keep the streak alive. This person is a great example I found on Reddit. They are on day 1,700, a 1,700-day streak, and they earn 1,000 Satoshis daily. That's about $1.50 per day just by shaking their phone. They've also received 1,681,971 total Satoshis during that streak. That's $2,565 just from shaking their phone every day. I'm so jealous. By the way, the link to the Satoshi to dollar converter that I used will be in the video description. It's a free online tool, so feel free to play around with it. The second tier is inactive shakers. Inactive shakers earn a base reward amount of just 21 Satoshis. To be an active shaker, you must either use your ShakePay Visa card or buy crypto from the ShakePay exchange at least once every 7 days. So if you want to view your shaking sat streak, open up your ShakePay app, look at the top right hand corner, and at the top right hand corner next to the flame emoji will be your shaking sats streak. The number 2 way to earn free Bitcoin on ShakePay is through Cashback. You can earn up to 3% in Bitcoin cashback with your ShakePay Visa card on your first $3,000 spent within the first 90 days after signing up for the card. It's credited directly to your Bitcoin balance on your ShakePay account. Once you've spent 3,000 on your card or after 90 days, whichever one comes first, You will receive 1% cash back on all your card purchases going forward. You will only receive cashback rewards on purchases made with your ShakePay Visa card. For example, I paid for my recent oil change with my ShakePay Visa card, and I received 862 Satoshis as cashback, which is equivalent to $1.31 Canadian, which is 1% of the $131 I spent on the oil change. Yes, I know the oil change was expensive. The number three way of earning free Bitcoin on ShakePay is by being a member of a ShakeSquad. A ShakeSquad is a group you create with up to 4 other friends to earn bonus Satoshis on each other's Shakepay card purchases. The rewards are paid directly to the Bitcoin balance of your Shakepay account. Whenever a member of your squad uses their Shakepay card on a transaction over $1, everyone in the squad gets 42 bonus Satoshis. These are called bonus Satoshis because you get them on top of your regular cashback rewards. So, how does the Shake Squad work? Each Shake Squad can have 2 types of members: contributors and rookies. Your status indicates whether you're earning and contributing sats for your squad. Contributors are ShakePay customers that have already used their ShakePay card to make a purchase. If you create a Shake Squad or join one as a contributor, your purchases will contribute bonus sats to the squad, and your squad members' purchases will contribute to yours. So you will also be able to invite other people or other members to join your squad if you were to create one, like I did. Rookies are ShakePay customers that haven't used their ShakePay card before. Once your first ShakePay card purchase is settled, you automatically become a contributor. So start spending. You don't want rookies hanging around too long in your squad because they won't be contributing. So encourage any rookies in your squad to get spending. You can either start your own squad or join an existing squad. Pro tip is checking out the ShakePay Reddit community. It's a great place to find a squad to join. There are always people on the lookout for new squad members in the ShakePay Reddit community, just like this member who is looking for squad members to join their Shake Squad. The number four way of earning free Bitcoin on ShakePay is through ShakePaid. ShakePaid is a reward that gives ShakePay customers the chance to win Bitcoin just by using certain app features. Every time you shop with your ShakePay card, you have the chance to earn the full purchase amount back in Bitcoin, and that amount will be credited to your ShakePay Bitcoin balance. Payroll direct deposits are also eligible to be ShakePaid. There is no minimum amount you have to spend on your card to be eligible. However, for payroll deposits, a minimum of $100 deposit is required for eligibility. For card transactions, ShakePaid reimbursements are determined randomly, and every card transaction you make has a chance of being ShakePaid. For payroll direct deposits, you'll be eligible to be ShakePaid on up to your first 2 payroll direct deposits of each calendar month. You can win a maximum of only once per calendar month. You will receive a notification for any ShakePaid deposit, informing you, if you're lucky enough, that you've received an amount of your card transaction or payroll direct deposit back in Bitcoin. Just like this person who had their Uber trip ShakePaid and basically got a free Uber ride. The number five way to earn free Bitcoin with ShakePay is through the ShakePay Referral Program. When you invite your friends and they join ShakePay, you will both get $20 when the friend you referred buys $100 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum. They must use your referral link for the referral to be eligible. And to find and share your referral link with a friend, you just open up the ShakePay app, scroll towards the bottom of the home page, click on Invite a Friend and get $20, and then either get them to scan the QR code, or you can click Share My Link to share the link with them via text message or email or any of your favorite social media networks. Now, although the $20 is paid into your ShakePay cash balance, you can use it to buy Bitcoin like I did here, essentially earning yourself some extra Bitcoin. So instead of just spending it on something you don't really need, you can add it towards your Bitcoin balance to grow your Satoshis. Now, if you'd like to get started with ShakePay and start earning your free Bitcoin, my referral link will be in the description of this video. So make sure you sign up today to get your free $20. Remember, when you sign up, you will need to complete your KYC, your verification. And once you've done that, you're good to go. Now, when you buy your first $100 worth of either Bitcoin or Ethereum, then you will get your $20 extra. And once all of that is set up, you can start earning your daily free Bitcoin by shaking your phone and getting your ShakingSats and spending with your ShakePay Visa card to earn the extra bonuses. Now, if you've watched the video up until this point, I'm going to assume that you enjoyed the video. So please like the video and kindly also subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified whenever I post new content. Please also leave me a comment if you're already a ShakePay member or you're considering joining. Kindly also share this video with your friends. You never know, they may be your future ShakeSquad members. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.